Ramazan, how are you today?
Hello, Alison. I am doing good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. So what would you like to practice today, Ramazan?
Alison, basically, I am interested to practice my English communication, and for that, what I want is like you should ask me quick questions, and I will be giving you reply of those.
Perfect. Okay, Ramazan, we'll get started. Where else are you from?
I am from India, Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, really? Kashmir?
Yes.
Fantastic. It looks a very beautiful place.
Yes. That is
Yes.
the paradise.
Paradise. I understand. I've never been to India, but I'd like to go. So you need to sell it to me. So tell me, Ramazan, do you go to university or do you work?
I am a software engineer right now and working from last 3 years.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And do you enjoy your job? Can you tell me a little bit about your job?
Yes, my job is to develop websites and mobile apps. And yes, I was interested to do something practically, and I am in this one, and I know that this is the coding and everything is practical. So yeah, I'm enjoying.
Fantastic. It sounds, I mean, anything technical to me sounds a bit... I can just about use computers and iPads and apps, but I'm very basic. So
Yes,
you must be very clever.
yes, I am.
Good, and I like your confidence. Fantastic.
Thank you.
So, Ramazan, do you travel with your job? I understand at the moment with coronavirus difficult, but do you get to travel?
No, basically I have my office and I live all the time in my office, and I have clients who are online always, and I remain connected with them. So I don't need any type of traveling things.
Perfect. So do you work from home?
Yes, work from home.
Fantastic. And how do you find that, Ramazan? How do you find working from home? Do you like it?
Sorry, I couldn't able to get your question.
My question was, how do you find working from home?
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yes, you mean that how I found this type of work to do at home?
Well, no. What I'm saying is, I'll rephrase it. Are you enjoying working from home?
Yes, I am enjoying.
Really? Because I find difficult. I miss the social of going to the office.
Yes. But I am a bit of introvert, so I like to be alone and do the stuff on my own.
I understand. So you don't miss coffee with your colleagues?
Yes, no. Sorry.
Are you good at planning? Because when you work at home, I think you have to plan your day so that you're not in your office all the time.
Yes, I have a whiteboard and I jot down all the things which I have to complete throughout the day, and I have the monthly planning as well. So I try to manage the stuff in this way.
Fantastic. Maybe I need to learn from you, because I write lists. I've got bits of paper everywhere. Maybe a whiteboard would be a better idea.
Yes. This is one of the best idea, and I have that whiteboard in front of me, and I always see that specific board, and I remember that what is the thing that I need to do next.
Fantastic. Good idea. I'll jot that down, Ramazan.
Yes,
Thank you for sharing that with me. So, Ramazan, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have the hobbies of reading books which are related to religion basically, and also interested to do some public speaking.
Oh,
If I get the
fantastic.
opportunity, yeah.
I think you'd be really good at that. You're very confident in the way you speak.
Okay, thank you,
Very
Alison.
confident. Yes, I can feel that off you. I can feel your energy. I'm sure you'd be good at public speaking. So in my job, I have to do a lot of that. So I can sense that you'd be very good. So when you say you read books, you like to read books regarding your religion. Now,
Yes,
I know in India there are many different religions.
yes.
And how many? Can you tell me how many or
How many religions?
religions?
I'm not sure, but there are many. I mean, about 10, about 10, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
So all your books are religious books.
Basically, I have the target of completing a specific book related to Quran.
Uh-huh.
So that is the translation of that book, and I'm interested to finish it in detail.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
very
because
interesting.
yeah, and
Very interesting.
other than that, I have some business books like Think and Grow Rich, Power of Subconscious
Oh,
Mind.
yeah, I've seen
So
that one.
yeah, mostly I read those as well, but on regular basis, I have the commitment to finish about 20 pages of that religious book in the early morning. So that is,
Oh,
yeah,
fantastic.
that is in
Yeah,
my schedule.
I have a copy of the Quran in English. So
Okay.
I have read and it's interesting, very interesting. Because I live in Turkey, so of course it's 98% Muslim here. So I find interesting as well. So do you
Yes,
like
that is
watching
really interesting. Yes, yes.
films, Ramazan?
In 2021, I will never watch a
Really?
film because, yeah, earlier I watched a lot of Hollywood movies related to business
Uh-huh.
specifically, but now onwards, I have a lot of things to do. So I quit some social media and some movies and
Yeah,
stuff.
I
Yeah.
understand because sometimes you have that much to concentrate on. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Can
yes.
you tell me, Ramazan, a little bit more about Kashmir?
Yes, Kashmir is a beautiful place, and there are a lot of tourists who are visiting there and enjoying their life. They spend about 1 month and half a month over there, and that is also a cheap place to visit. So, yeah, there is cool atmosphere, and currently there is snowfall.
Really?
So,
So
yeah,
you
and
get winter there.
yeah,
You have a cold winter in Kashmir.
yes,
Ah,
yes, winter. Currently, it is
uh-huh,
winter.
I understand. And how about the summer? Does it get very hot?
Not much hot, but it become almost 30 degrees Celsius
Yeah,
max.
it's not major hot. 30 degrees is quite nice.
Yes, yes, that is a normal
Yes,
atmosphere.
fantastic. And do you
Yeah.
get to take holidays, Ramazan?
Yes, actually, I am not interested to
Really?
go anywhere if I'm not getting a good friend. So I try to visit to my hometown once a
Uh-huh.
month. So that make me more, I mean, relax and
Yes, when
all.
you're spending time with family. I understand. Do
Yes.
you have who are your family, Ramazan? Can you tell me about your family?
Yes, my family, they are living in hometown, and yes, they are not working in any private sector. They are trying to handle their tasks which are there in the home,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, living a cool life.
Fantastic. And how many brothers and
Yes.
sisters do you have?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters.
Lovely. That must be really nice for your
Yes.
parents, two of each.
Yes.
Fantastic. And do you all get along well?
Yes, yes.
Fabulous. So, are your sisters married? Do they have any children?
Yes, I have one married sister and she has one
Ah, lovely.
kid.
And how
Yeah.
old?
about
Oh, so a
1 year
baby
old.
still. I
Yes.
understand. I love babies, but I know most men, they prefer children where they start doing something, playing football.
Yes, yes, yes.
Definitely.
Okay, and what about
Yes, I
you?
have a daughter. I have a husband and a daughter who's 24, and I have two
Oh,
sisters. And my mum and dad, they're quite old now. They're in their 80s, but they live in the UK.
okay, and how old are
I'm
you?
49. I
Okay,
know, it's
49.
scary, isn't it? Really scary.
No, no, no. So please, I'm interested to know about your beautiful experience, which can give me some moral lessons. So can you share me a beautiful experience from which I get a lesson that I need to take care in the
So
future?
you want a beautiful experience. When you say that, do you mean like if you want lessons in the future, what we can do, Ramazan, is you can look at articles in newspapers, you can send me a link, you can message me, I can have a look through them, we can discuss them. There's anything you want to do, anything that keeps you talking for your English, because that's the important thing. Your English is very good. You're
Okay, thank
speaking
you.
very clearly. So, I mean, it's completely up to you. If you want to send me a message with an article, or you can do any of the Cambly lessons. If you want to have a look in the library, you can request lessons and we can work on those together.
Yes, sure, that is important. But what I am interested to know about is like there are some hard times in the
Uh-huh.
life from where someone get a specific learning. So what I am interested is that you should share me a single learning which you had
Oh,
in your
right.
life,
Wow. I've
so
had
that
so
yeah,
many. I would say the
yeah.
most significant is moving to Turkey to live in a foreign country. That
Okay.
was a massive experience because I only knew my husband. I didn't have any friends. I didn't have a job. I had to get my daughter into school. And so that was just a life-changing experience, but very interesting. And I'm still here 12 years on. So yeah, I've enjoyed it. Living with a different culture, all very different. But yes,
Okay.
definitely, I'd recommend to anybody because my family were like, oh, no, no, don't do it. And I just said, no, I'm doing it. And it's all worked out for the best.
Yes, 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 correct. So by profession, what you are
So
doing?
I teach English, but I'm a team leader for a holiday company where I have a team of reps that sell excursions and give customer
Okay.
service. So
Okay,
that's the
that's
job I
great.
do in the summertime. I sometimes go out
Mhm.
to different countries and work in the winter time. However, due to Corona, that hasn't happened.
Okay, yeah, that is great. So you mean that you live a social life,
Um,
right?
I would, I'd say my job is very sociable, but I don't
Yes, yes, yes.
really leave the house much. But in the
Yes,
summertime,
okay.
yes, because I'm looking after a team. But now things have changed because everybody's working online, a lot more meetings
Yes,
online. But yes, very interesting. But I enjoy teaching as well because I'm meeting people from all around the world. So my travel
yes, yes.
experiences are done online.
Okay, yes, yes, that is great. And yes, I found that you have a great team and you have also a lot of experience. So, of course, I would be trying to book more lessons with you
Absolutely.
so that I
That'd
get
be
to,
fantastic, Ramazan.
yes,
What I will do when I finish
yes.
work this evening, I will send you my schedule. Okay, and you
Yes,
can book
sure, you
some
should
more
send me.
lessons. But it's been lovely speaking to you.
Okay.
Okay, take care,
Okay,
Alison.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.